In this video, we are going to install the extensions and pin them to our toolbar. So the first thing we need to do is go to the Chrome Web Store. Once we get there, we're going to go to the search bar and type read and then ampersand, no spaces in between, and then you'll see that Read and Write for Google pops right up. Click on that. Then we're going to click on Add to Chrome and then click Add Extension. That's been installed, so now we're going to go back to the search bar and install OrbitNote. So just type in OrbitN and then the one you want should be there. Click Add to Chrome and then Add Extension. And then we're going to go ahead and do the last one, which is Screenshot Reader. And you do have to type the whole thing because there are apparently a lot of screenshot readers. So type in Screenshot Reader and then we're looking for the purple guy. There he is. So click on that, Add to Chrome, Add Extension. Okay, then when all of the extensions have been installed, we're going to go ahead up to the little puzzle piece looking thing, and that's going to show us our list of extensions. Now, if we click on the pin and it's filled in, that means it's adding the pin to our toolbar, and you'll see that they get added up there to the toolbar. So we're going to go ahead and pin the extensions for all three